Hey there guys, this is your friend Nerdy Nair. Welcome to my channel. Today we will be doing the unboxing and overview of the BOYA by M1 mic. I had purchased it from Amazon.in for 800 rupees. So let's begin the unboxing. So guys, this is the BOYA by M1 mic I bought from Amazon. So let's start. Let's keep this aside. This is the mic itself. Here it is the branding BOYA, lavalier microphone, micro caravat, and this is the image of the mic itself, actual image. Here is written Pro Audio Series. Nothing much. Let's open the box. We get a pouch. Yeah, it has a BOYA branding. And this is the instruction manual. Nothing much on the box. Let's keep this aside. This is the warranty card. And this is the instruction manual. User manual. It is written, thanks for choosing BOYA. If you are using the mic for first time, I highly recommend going through the manual. So now look at the mic itself. Silica. We get a pouch. Let's look. This is the windscreen foam. Adapter for mic input for amplifiers. This is the clip. And we get a battery. This is a LR44 cell Maxwell series. LR44 Maxwell series cell. Now let's take a look at the mic itself. Let's keep all this aside. And here is the mic itself. This is the actual mic. And we get a massive 20-foot 6-meter cable length. That's a very good thing. With this length you can fix the mic. Thanks to the length, now you can walk and do the interview, everything while walking, etc. So now the windscreen foam goes here like this. Now here is the mic BOYA. Now there is a switch here. It is for cameras on. You turn it on and it is will work for the cameras and use the battery, and it is off in smartphone. Now let's put the battery. The battery goes in here. Adjust it correctly, then insert your battery. The plus and minus are indicated here. Check it accordingly, then insert the battery. Now we have installed the battery, and we put the switch in the off position. Don't forget that. This is on position only for the cameras, DSLRs and other smartphone or iPhone. You have to switch it off. And we clip this alligator clip here. We clip it on the alligator clip here on the mic, like this. Now you can put it in your collar like that, and you are good to go. Now I will show you sample audio from the mic and from the iPhone. Here are the sample, guys. This audio is from the iPhone. Hola amigos, this is your friend Nadine. This audio is from the BOYA mic. Hola amigos, this is your friend Nadine. By far, it is the best and the cheapest mic I could find on Amazon.in and Flipkart. My frank opinion, guys, this is not for someone who is looking for outdoor shooting or shooting in a very noisy environment, because this is not meant for that. Noises, hums, etc. it will pick up. It is meant to be used in a studio where the acoustic levels are maintained, soundproofing is done, and that kind of places. You can use it in a room closed with the fans switched off, etc. And it's very best. So guys, that's it for today. See you in my next video.